Welcome to SmartTask. Let's get you started in a few minutes. With SmartTask, you can utilize one app for productivity. Tasks, calendars, docs, timelines, inquiries, roadmaps, and more. Everything starts with a project. Projects are where the work happens. Projects can be created within a group. Groups are nothing but a department or a team of people working together. You can either create a project from scratch, utilize a template, or import from an existing spreadsheet. With your project created, it's time to add your tasks, actionable bit-sized pieces of work to get your project done. Give every task an assignee and due date, so it's clear who's doing what by when. To group your tasks, create a select field and utilize the Group By option. Similarly, more data points can be added to your tasks through custom fields. For example, budgets can be a numerical field. Once your project is set up, invite a few teammates. Collaborate on tasks with comments and attachments. Followers of the task would get a notification. Finally, mark tasks as complete the moment work gets done. Customize your project with advanced features. Create custom forms that turn submissions into actionable tasks. Build powerful dashboards to track your team's progress. And share status updates to keep everyone aligned as work moves forward. Managing multiple projects, use portfolios to get a bird's eye view of all your projects and their current status, all in one place. With SmartTask, staying organized and up to date is effortless. See everything assigned to you in the My Tasks view. Check your Notifications tab for updates and communicate with your teammates with comments and updates. Now that you know your way around, let's get started.